this is one of my favorite dishes. I've got some vegetables in there. I just lightly stir-fried them in some avocado oil. I did some broccoli, cauliflower, celery, onion, and I let those cook with some salt. Then I put in my garlic powder, my grated ginger, and some coconut milk with the turmeric and pepper. And just to cook it just a little bit to heat it up and combine it. I put a little bit of water in there. Now I'm going to serve it. I put some avocado and some radicchio, and I'm just going to serve it like this. It's supposed to be really good for you. So I'll just do another little swoop. There we go. I had also put some of these limes. Got some beautiful limes. I like to have a little squirt of lime juice on mine. And then of course I'll finish it off with some of my Celtic sea salt. So that's my breakfast today.